Hi, I'm Chris Visser with the November Commercial Truck Market Update. With the complete third quarter of 2011 in the database, now is a good time for a year-over-year review. A quick rundown of the retail numbers tells us that sleeper tractors on average are bringing about 24% more money in the third quarter of 2011 than the same period a year ago, with mileage and age both up. Welcome to a brave new world where 6-year-old sleeper tractors with 500,000 miles are selling for almost $50,000. If we focus on the 4-year-old sleeper market, 2008s have fluctuated in the low to mid 60K range since February as mileage has ticked steadily upward. This price level is probably encouraging some buyers to make the jump to a new truck given the ever higher mileage for these trucks. On the wholesale side, the story is quite a bit different. Our working theory is that the wholesale market overall is hitting a price ceiling as the mileage of the average sleeper tractor nears 650K. September was further support for that theory as mileage jumped up by over 60K and price plummeted $6,000. On a quarter versus quarter basis though, 2011 is still absolutely crushing 2010 with selling prices 47% higher. Again, the takeaway is that the market has probably established an upper limit on pricing for trucks with mileage in the low to mid 600s. The wholesale market is also up by a huge margin for 4-year-old trucks. 2008s commanded 62.5% more money in quarter 3 of 2011 than that period last year, although pricing has been steadily declining since the high mark set in January. Mileage was actually lower in September than in January, so there may be some price hesitation in the wholesale market for this model year based on the performance of the retail market. As for dealers, they sold 16.8% fewer retail trucks per dealership quarter versus quarter. In the current market, this figure fluctuates depending on the number of trucks entering the secondary market and the extent to which fleets are selling their own equipment. With this in mind, sales per dealership have increased every month since May, hitting a 2011 high point in September. Seeing as new truck orders and sales have increased every month since July, it would be logical that trade-ins are accounting for some of this increase in inventory. To wrap up, buyers are establishing a comfort level with higher mileage trucks. The retail market overall still has plenty of headroom, although the safe bet is for average mileage 2008 model year trucks to stay where they are instead of increasing. On the wholesale side, prices remain healthy as long as trucks are comfortably under 650,000 miles. Basically, none of the factors that we look at, from general economic statistics to focused market data, suggest that the market will do anything other than trend steady to upwards as the used truck undersupply becomes more dire going forward. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next month.